Today I shall start exercise 5.3 question number 15. The question is, a contract job specifies a penalty for delay of completion beyond a certain date as follows: rupees 200 for first day, rupees 250 for second day, rupees 300 for third day, etc. If he has delayed in the work by 30 days, then how much money he has to pay? Listen, what is the question? Penalty, that is fine. And after a certain days, a worker has to pay fines. And 200 fine for first day, and 250 for second day, and 300 for third day is this type of. So I have written here, penalty for delay for first day is rupees 200, that is A1 equal to 200, and penalty for delay for second day is rupees 250, that is A2 equal to 250, and penalty for delay for third day is 300 rupees. So A3 equal to 300. Minimum 3 terms you should write, okay, and so on. Here you look, A2 minus A1 equal to A3 minus A2 equal to 50, because 50 rupees is increases. So the terms are in AP, okay. So through the process of AP we can solve this problem. Here D equal to 50 because 50 is increases, and N equal to 30 because he has delayed for 30 days. So Sn equal to, you write the formula, which is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now S30, so you put the values of n, a and d. I have put the values only. Now 30 by 2, 15, 200 into 2, 400 plus 30 minus 1, 29. 29 into 50, 1450. And after adding we get 1850. And after multiplication by 15, it will be 27750. So rupees 27750 he has to pay. Okay. Now come to the question number 16. Now listen the question at first. A sum of rupees 700 is to be used to give 7 cash prizes to students. If each prize is rupees 20 less than its preceding prize, then find the value of each prize. Means, listen, total money is 700 and it is divided by 7 students as prizes, and first prize and second prize between the difference is 20 rupees, and again second prize to third prize difference is 20 rupees. Okay, now listen. Each prize is rupees 20 less than its preceding prize. So the values of 7 cash prizes will form an AP, because D means common difference is same, which is minus 20. So it is in AP. Let first prize be rupees A. Okay. Winner prizes in succession will be A minus 20, A minus 40, etc. This is A is the first prize, then A minus 20 is the second prize, A minus 40 will be third prize, and go on. So listen, Sn equal to 700, N equal to 7 and D equal to minus 20, because amount of prizes will be reduced. So D equal to minus 20. So N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d equal to 700, and 7 by 2 into 2 into a plus 7 minus 1 into minus 20 equal to 700. So 2a minus 120, this is minus sign, because 7 minus 1 6, 6 into minus 20 minus 120 equal to 700. Now 700 is divisible by 7, so I have written here 1 by 2 into 2a minus 120 equal to 100. Okay. Now 2a equal to 2 into a, 120 equal to 2 into 60. So I have taken common 2. And now in bracket half into 2, and in bracket a minus 60 equal to 100. 2 cancel. So a minus 60 equal to 100, and A equal to 160, which is the cost of first prize. Now values of 7 prizes are rupees 160 and you less 1 for 2020, so rupees 140, rupees 120, rupees 100, rupees 80, rupees 60 and rupees 40. These are the cash prizes of 7 students. Okay. Now listen the another question 17. Question is very big. You listen carefully what is telling in the question. In a school, it has decided that the number of trees that each section of each class will plant will be same as the class in which they are studying. That is, a section of class 1 will plant 1 tree, a section of class 2 will plant 2 trees, and so on till class 12. There are 3 sections of each class, and how many trees will be planted by the student? Now listen the question at first. There are classes in a school that are 1 to 12, okay? And each class has 3 sections. That is, one class has 3 sections ABC, 2 class has ABC, this type, and up to class 12. So how many sections? Total 36 sections. Now listen, number of trees planted by students of class 1 equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1. There are 3 sections and in class 1 number of trees planted by them equal to 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. That is A1. And number of trees planted by students of class 2 equal to 2 plus 2 plus 2 equal to 6 equal to A2. And minimum 3 terms you should write. So number of trees planted by students of class 3 equal to 3 plus 3 plus 3, that is 9 equal to A3. Here you look, A2 minus A1 equal to A3 minus A2 equal to 3. So the terms are in AP. So we apply the formula of AP. Here D equal to 3 and N equal to 12. Okay. D equal to 3 means 9 minus 6, 3. 6 minus 3, 3. This type. Now S12. N equal to 12 because classes are 1 to 12. So S12 equal to 12 by 2 into 2 into 3 plus 12 minus 1 into 3. Now after calculation we get 6 into 6 plus 33. So 6 into 39, that is 234. So total number of trees planted equal to 234. Okay.